Look at this delicious chicken gizzard bubbling away with fresh coriander on top. Today I will show you step by step how to make it at home and explain why each step matters so you get the best taste and texture. These are my chicken gizzards straight from the pack. I start with washing them thoroughly 2 times. Washing removes the dirt and ensures the gizzards are completely clean before cooking. As you can see right now, my gizzards are very clean. Next, I add the gizzards to the pressure cooker. I add in water and set a timer for 30 minutes. This step is important because gizzards are naturally tough, and pressure cooking helps soften them quickly while keeping in flavors. Once tender, I press them on a plate. I carefully remove the tough inner part. This step makes sure every bite is enjoyable, not chewy. I then wash them one last time and press them on a paper towel to drain off all water. Now I heat oil in a pan. I add in the gizzards. I fry until golden. Frying gives them a firm, rich taste and removes any excess moisture. After frying, I let them rest on paper towel to absorb all excess oil. Now I cut my onions. In another pan, I add in onions and fry until soft. This builds the flavor base. Then I add the gizzards back in. I season with royco curry powder and black pepper. Then I stir very well to combine. Adding spices at this stage allows them to coat the gizzards well and be absorbed deeply. Now I dice ripe soft tomatoes because they are juicy and create a rich sauce. I add the diced tomato in. I pour in reserved broth to combine everything. I add in already mixed soy sauce, Knorr chicken soup and vinegar. This combination deepens the flavor and balances the sweetness with a tangy and makes the sauce rich and savory. Next, I cut my green pepper. I add green pepper for freshness and crunchy. It also brings out a bright flavor that balances the richness of gizzards. And finally, I chop the coriander. I add fresh coriander. Coriander not only gives color but also brings a fresh aroma and flavor that completes the dish. And here we have it, tender flavorful chicken gizzard cooked to perfection, perfect with rice, ugali, matoke, or even enjoyed on their own. Try this recipe and enjoy every bite. Kindly, if you have enjoyed this recipe, subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you on Wednesday 9 p.m. East African time.